Guys, I just got back from pumping tires. I got all my mom's tires pumped to 44 psi, which is the maximum. Dad's tires, I mean, both the ones that are in the yard are dead because two of them had like nails in it. That was the summer tires. The winter tires they were worn out. They even exposed the metal underneath it, the spiky metal, and that's why I'm here, to wait for Dad. So I want to do some comparison from those days, because it was intense. Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I'm Borman here. I'm just here on another video, an update from that. Even though it's been a few days since that, it was on the 4th of July, a special day in the U.S. In the nighttime, I had big lightning strikes every 3 to 4 seconds, every 2 to 5 seconds, and sometimes 10. It was crazy. It was insane. I even said sane once. I mean, like, so insane that I just said sane. Like, I couldn't even think what I was saying because it was so intense. But we're back. I was even filming off of this camera here. 4K. What does that say? I don't know, but yeah. I call it a GoPro because it looks like that. Because it looks like one. It's not a GoPro, guys. It's not a GoPro. I'm just here filming, and you probably guys saw the videos on YouTube. Click down in the bottom corner if on an iPad, and to the bottom on computer and iPhone to find those videos, and also the description, the links in the description, like links to the videos that will also be there. If you can't find the video, you'll find that in there. If you don't find all, that means I haven't looked at the video yet. But we're also be filming tonight. In the nighttime, it's a pretty nice day outside. I'm gonna keep that one recording, and I'm gonna take this one that has 6th generation over to your side. And I have 2 days for a wisdom teeth to be pulled out. But also, if you haven't seen the video of me with the washer, there was 3 extra duplicates because everything. Anyways, that's Dad. Oh, Dad's home! Yay! Daddy! Hi. Oh, hello. I was filming outside there. It was much clearer than that night.